Hi, it's Meg. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's Junk Journal with me, we are going to be doing day 17 of Junk Journal July. Today's prompt is go to palette. So this is all about the colour scheme that really makes you happy, I suppose. The colours that you're drawn to in your journals or in decorating your house, maybe just any colours that you like to use. It could be working on different colour combinations, so there's lots of different ways you could take this, and of course everyone loves their own individual palettes. For me, I think you guys know I love my neutrals. I also love kind of pastels and a little bit of pale pink popped in there as well. That's something that I've been really drawn to lately. I also love like olive green and colours like that, like warmer colours too. Definitely I think the warmer side rather than cooler colours is what I tend to work with more, which is why I think I really like the browns of like different packaging papers and things like that. So yeah, this prompt is all about exploring different colour palettes. So what I decided to do was recreate some more of these faux washi strips that I've made before from Rachel Roxy Creations video. I will leave a link down below to her original tutorial if you want to make some of your own. But essentially I've got some like strips of vellum, and then I'm adding different collage papers and scraps of papers. And this is a really fun way to use up all those little bits that you might not otherwise use in your journal, and also to just have a play around with different kind of combinations. And I ended up creating 4 of these strips and working on them all at the same time, so that I was using the same colours across them all but in different ways. So you'll see I've started on a new one in a moment, and I'm carrying across the same supplies, the same little scraps of paper, but you know, combining them in different ways and adding little details, things like that. So it's just a really fun way to create some collage papers for your journals. And I'm also coming in here with some paint. So this is the pink that I've mentioned. And this paint is the Daler Rowney System 3 acrylic, and the colour is pink blush or rose blush. It's 580, and I picked this up a while ago from Casa, and it's just a lovely shade to use. And I was just showing you there as well. So if you are working on vellum, then obviously it's got that element of translucency to it. So whatever you're collaging on one side, you'll be able to see snippets of on the other side.
A feather on weekend knees. What on earth did you do to me? I let you in before I even knew who you were. Your hair was just so, and your eyes were also. All my dreams are now. I wonder, where did you go? I have to know. A mirror image of my soul. I could see myself, but without the hose. I pinched my arm just to see if you could feel what I feel. Right from the start, a conversation between our hearts. I wanted more, but it was hard to get through your shield. Your hair was just so, and your eyes were also. All my dreams are now. in my mind and every night in the shadows of my sleep. I cannot say I love you, cause I don't know you that well. At least let me find you so I can break this spell. Golden, golden, golden. Your hair was just so, and your eyes were also. All my dreams are now. I wonder where did you go? I had to know. Golden.
As you can see, I've used a lot of different things on these strips, so everything from stenciling to stamping. I'm coming in with an acrylic paint marker here. I've used washi tape, and they're all within the colour scheme that I really love to work in. So they're almost a little bit like kind of sample strips of things that I'm enjoying using in this journal, and so all I wanted to do was add some of them to my page. That was literally it. I didn't want to do any kind of elaborate journal page with this. I literally just wanted to stick some of these strips into my journal in that true experimentation style almost of this journal, just as a record of them. So I really enjoyed working outside of my journal and then including these within it. So that's definitely another way if you're feeling maybe a little bit stuck by one of the prompts and you're not sure what to do in your journal, or maybe you're even just feeling kind of the pressure of working straight into your journal, then maybe try crafting something separately and then including it within your journal. So what I'm doing here is stapling the strips together. I did have to tear them and make them shorter, but I will use the bits that I've left to the side, probably somewhere else in this journal, so they won't go to waste. But basically I just picked my favourite bits and just arranged them together. So I've just picked 4 there, and I am now going to glue them into my journal. I'm just checking that things are looking okay on the other side and just literally gluing them in. It's as easy as that. I really enjoyed working on these little strips, and it's definitely a nice way to record different techniques and combinations, colour combinations or materials that you like. Let me know down in the comments what your go-to palette is in your junk journal. I'd love to know which different combinations you like to use. So I hope you enjoyed journaling along with me today. As always, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys.